Hello there, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone, kidney health. Our kidneys play a significant role in our body, cleansing the blood of toxins and transferring waste into urine. The kidneys are our body's natural detoxifiers, working tirelessly to filter out waste and maintain a balance of fluids and electrolytes. However, our modern diet often puts them under immense strain. But did you know that refined, processed foods and excessive salt can cause inflammation and stress on your kidneys? Refined and processed foods, along with high salt intake, can lead to inflammation and kidney damage. Researchers also noted a strong association between sugary sweet beverages and the development of chronic kidney disease. Those who drank in excess of 3.5 sugary sweet beverages each week had a 150% increased chance of developing kidney disease. But the good news is, there are foods we can incorporate into our diet to cleanse and repair our kidneys. First on our list are grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that has protective effects against acute and chronic kidney injuries. Grapes contain fibers and various phytonutrients, catechins, proanthocyanidins, anthocyanins, leucoanthocyanidin, quercetin, camphorol, stilbenes, ellagic acid, and hydroxycinamates. These phytonutrients not only are responsible for the color of grapes, but also for their cholesterol-lowering attributes and for strengthening the immune system. The National Kidney Foundation suggests that drinking 1 glass of grape juice or eating approximately 15 grapes a day can be beneficial. 1/2 cup serving red grapes equals 1 milligram sodium, 88 milligrams potassium, 4 milligrams phosphorus. Next, we have cranberries. Cranberries are low in potassium and high in vitamin C. Known for their benefits for the urinary tract and kidneys, cranberries contain phytonutrients called A-type proanthocyanidins. These prevent bacteria from sticking to the lining of the urinary tract and bladder, reducing the risk of infections. Studies on the beneficial effects of cranberry in preventing chronic and recurrent UTIs have also shown beneficial effects through the following mechanisms. Gia et al., 2021. Citrus fruits, especially lemons, are loaded with vitamin C. Drinking a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon first thing in the morning can help prevent kidney stones and support overall kidney function. Lemons contain citric acid that metabolizes in your body to help counteract the formation of kidney stones. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are packed with antioxidants. Blueberries have the highest antioxidant capacity among fruits, supplemented by anthocyanins, proanthocyanins, flavanols, and phenolic acid present in them. Blueberries possess known anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Next is olive oil. Is another great addition to your diet for kidney health. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory properties called polyphenols and oleic acid. This kind of oil is also very high in monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats you want to consume. Adding olive oil to your diet can not only improve your kidney health and protect them, but it can also reduce the rates of heart disease and cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon and other fatty fish, can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic kidney disease. Incorporating these into your diet can make a significant difference. Hydration is key. Since 60 to 65% of our body is made up of water, staying well hydrated helps our kidneys flush out toxins efficiently. Drinking plenty of fluids helps the kidneys to clear sodium, urea, and waste products from the body, potentially lowering the risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Research suggests that drinking plain water in particular can have a potentially protective effect on kidney function. Apples are considered to be good kidney foods because they offer a lot of great things, including a lot of pectin, a type of fiber that can help reduce kidney damage, help lowers cholesterol and glucose levels. Onions and garlic are also beneficial. Studies have shown that eating more onions and garlic regularly can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, chronic kidney disease, and hypertension. Onions are another perfect addition to a recipe for those looking to skip the salt. Onions and garlic used together and cooked in olive oil gives you the best kind of kidney-friendly flavor. They are each high in vitamin C and B and will bring great benefits to your digestive system as well. Fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha can support a healthy gut, which in turn helps our kidneys function better. In addition to these foods, maintaining healthy habits is crucial. Staying hydrated, exercising regularly, cutting down on refined and processed foods, and getting enough sleep can all contribute to better kidney health. Remember, less sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which can lead to hypertension and affect our kidneys. By making these small changes in your diet and lifestyle, you can support your kidneys in their vital role and enjoy better overall health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips.